What's going on, everyone? This is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade, and welcome to another weekly review. In this review, we'll talk about some small runners from the past week, and boy, what a week we had. We had the Fed announcement on Wednesday. We had the reports from the big boards, from Tesla, from Microsoft, from Apple. And due to the lack of information and the lack of security, the OTC volume was very, very mild. However, even though the volume is low, you can still find runners almost every day. And in this video, I'll show you some of these runners. It does not have to be 1000% or hundreds and hundreds of percents, even 50% on a liquid stock. And even a 50% on non-liquid stock is very, very good and a absolutely beautiful trade. So the first stock that we'll talk about is the company BANT, and as you can see right here on the chart, the stock went up 73% in about 3 to 4 days. You had about 3 days to try and catch the bottom on this play right here, and he was alerted by Pennywell in our Discord channel. And you would also enjoy a 40 to 50% run in about 2 days only. Now, what's going on with BANT? So BANT is a pin current information stock in the aerospace and defense industry. On January 18th, the company released news that Drone USA receives purchase order to supply a thermal drone to a northern New Jersey police department. Now, the reason that the stock was traded at these levels is because they dilute the stock. And you can see right here that on January 27th, the stock rised about 40 to 50% intraday, and that's because that the diluters left the level 2. How can you tell when are the diluters leave the level 2? Well, that is learned in the OTC Oracle course, so the link is down in the description below. Let's move on to the second stock of this weekly review, and that stock is EPAZ. Now, that stock ran about 75% in 2 days, and you can see right here a big green volume candle, and the stock actually gapped up and ran to 0186, and it also had great opportunity to day trade that stock in that day. Now, EPAZ is a pin current information stock from the OTC. It is a growing public traded metaverse cloud blockchain software company looking to grow its software products. Now, you can see right here that the stock already ran in January about almost 300% in 3 days rally, with volume picking up day after day. We will talk about what happened here and explain what was going on over here on a separate video, not on this weekly review, because this refers to January 11th until January 14th. We will talk about right here the opportunity that we had on the previous week to make a 75% run, and the reason for the 75% rise in price is due to EPAZ news released on January 26, saying that EPAZ introduces affordable metaverse solution for businesses, governments, and healthcare providers to collaborate in real-time 3D environment. So that news is very interesting. EPAZ is a metaverse company, and they are now introducing an affordable metaverse solution for businesses, governments, basically everyone, for a real-time 3D environments, for meetings, for virtual offices, for 3D objects, and that will help the team collaboration. That news was very good to the eye of the traders, and they bought the stock a lot, giving us a 75% run in only 2 days. Or if you entered inside the day, you could have made about 45% right after the news was filed. And you can see that the stock closed around the penny mark, so keep an eye out for EPAZ. They tend to tweet a lot, and they might give us another opportunity. Let's move on to the final stock of this weekly review, and that stock is SNMN, and the stock also ran about 90% in 3 days. Now, before we talk what happened here, let's give a one word about SNMN. SNMN is an entertainment and media holding company in the business of acquiring and developing a variety of businesses in these sectors. It has a very active Twitter page, so if you're not following SNMN, make sure to go and do so, and also click the bell icon so you can get the notification once they tweet, and might be fast enough to grab some shares if it is very good tweet or the opposite. That stock was also alerted on our Discord channel on January 24th, right here, where we had the opportunity to grab some 0011 and even 0010 and from that point to enjoy a 80 to 90% run. Now, the reason the stock rised 80 to 90% is due to their Twitter account. They tweeted on January 25th, putting final touches on an acquisition that is bigger than our two current underlying companies. Once announced, shareholders will be able to contact new company to verify union. Exciting. So that's a major tweet. They are going to close acquisition that is bigger than their current two underlying companies. And one day later, they also tweeted that teaser for next week's announced news. Company will be 100% absorbed by SNMN, and also its hard assets dwarf what we currently have in company. We are fortunate to have landed this deal, details and verifications to come. And one final tweet on January 27th, expect news announcement early next week. Teaser, the addition is in the clean energy sector and was too good to pass up, even though our emphasis is still in media sector. Shareholders will be very happy, in my opinion. So overall, very good tweets that got the stock to go up 70 to 80% and still stay in that area right here. So keep your eyes out for SNMN. We might see the news next week, and it might even be bigger than the current price situation. And that was it for this video. And you guys can see that even though the market can be slow sometimes, there are always opportunities and there are always runners. Remember, you don't have to make hundreds and hundreds of percent to make your account grow. You can make a lot of small trades from 20% to 70%, 80%, 50%, and grow your account exponentially with time. If you're having trouble finding these kind of stocks and these kind of opportunities, make sure to go to the description and join our Simple Trade Discord community, where we share almost every opportunity that we seize. Also, if you've liked the video, make sure to subscribe, to hit the like button, to hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next videos. Comment down below your favorite stock, and I wish you all a green and a profitable week.